Hey, I'm in the trades and kind of at a crossroads here. So I'm trying to figure a couple things out, and I'm really looking out to the trades community, um, and just want to get some experiences from folks out there. There's some great people I follow, a bunch of handymen, garage door opener folks, commercial folks, um, commercial appliance, commercial refrigeration, HVAC folks. So it's just a wide variety of people. But here's my scenario. Okay, so I'm in Louisville, Kentucky. All right, and I own an appliance repair business. Okay, so that's my core. I guess I would say that. But I'm trying to figure out what the next chapter is going to be. I've been doing appliance repair for 6 years now, and I like mind maps. So I've been doing it for 6 years, and I have over 7,500 customers in my database. Okay, and then we have over 345 five-star reviews on Google. Okay. And we got a bunch of repeat customers and referrals. Okay. So really broke down my marketing budget. I'm not spending a lot on marketing now, um, because we get a lot of repeat customer referrals. And so I'm retired from the military. This is my second career. And so I really don't have a lot, I don't have any personal expenses. The military covers that. And business expenses are relatively low. So now I'm kind of looking around. I'm saying, okay, what's that next thing I want to go into? So experience wise, handyman. Okay. I'm very interested in the possibility of doing handyman work. Now, I will tell you, I've done a lot of handyman stuff because when we were in the military, we owned four properties and we were landlords, right? Meaning we owned these properties, but we kept getting orders. So every time we got orders, it didn't seem to be a good time to sell, or we didn't, feel like, I don't know. But anyway, we became landlords. So what would happen, I had to figure out real quick was I was losing a lot of money when people moved out, and I had to pay all these folks, random people, and I was at a different location. So what I would do is I would time it, and I would just take a week of leave, um, or however long it took to go pretty much refurbish the property, interview tenants, and get them in there. So it taught me a lot, right? So pretty much we had a flood in the house, so guess what? They had to replace the subfloor. Um, had to replace. I did some drywall. I did get some feedback from my HVAC guys. Um, so right now, I have my Alabama HVAC license. That's a long play. We don't know if we're going to move there yet, but I have an opportunity to get the Ohio HVAC and to get the. So Indiana's like 15, right at the bridge, 15 minutes from my house. So it's Floyd County and Clark County. So I'll just say Southern Indiana HVAC. So I can have this and this by this summer. Um, but just curious. So I do compressor change outs. That's kind of my link, right? So fridges, I do compressor change outs, um, or seal system repairs is what it's called. So that's kind of my link. But then my question is, if I go HVAC, do I jump on commercial? I love refrigeration, right? And do I focus on refrigeration? Is that a cleaner path and simpler? And the second thing is summer, okay? 'Cause I don't mind being seasonal. Would it make more sense to go maybe May through, I don't know, September, heavy on the HVAC stuff, with the backdrop of appliance repair, and then outside of those months, appliance repair is still steady for us. Go to appliance repair. Um, yeah, that's kind of where I'm at. I'm just thinking through all this. I've been talking to Chat GPT. Give me a lot of good ideas, but I'm just thinking like, man, which direction to go? I really don't know. I'm still thinking through it, but I'm looking forward to some comments, especially anybody who's a handyman, anybody who's doing garage door openers, anybody who's doing HVAC. Um, yeah, that's where I'm at.